Good morning all. So next word problem, subtraction stories question. Question is this: in a school there are 315 boys and 413 girls. Out of these, if 635 are Indians, how many are from other foreign countries? Okay, in a school, in an international school, this is a question from the textbook. So you can read that question. In a school there are 315 boys. So first we want to read the question and understand the meaning. So in that school, how many boys are there? 315 boys. And how many girls are there? 413 girls. Out of these total students, if 635 are from Indians, okay, then from the total students, how many students are from Indian country? 635. Then what we want to find out? How many are from foreign countries? So now we understand the question. After that, we want to write the given information. Which things are given here? Number of boys is given and number of girls also given. So that we can write first solution. Number of, how we can write the first step? Number of boys. Okay, number of boys. How many boys are there? 315 boys. Now, next we can write number of, next is girls. Number of girls. How many girls? 413. Okay, so if the number of boys is this and number of girls 413, then how many total students will be there in that school? For that we want to add these two. Okay, so next we can write, so total number of students, total number of students, so total number of students equal 315 plus 413. That we can do in the working column. Add 315 plus 413. 5 plus 3, 8. 1 plus 1, 2. 4 plus 3, 7. So how many total students are there? 728 total students are there. Now again read the question. If 635 are Indians, out of these total students, how many students are Indians from Indian? 635. Then how many are from foreign countries? So next we can write number of students, number of Indian students, that we can write number of Indian students. How many Indian students are there? That is given in the question. That is 635. So what will be the number of students from foreign countries? How we can find it? From the total 728, we are subtracting 635. So number of students from foreign countries, okay, that's equal to 728 minus 635. So that we can write 728 minus 635. So first we are subtracting ones place 8 minus 5, 3. Then 2 minus 3. That is not possible. So it will be 12 and this is 6. So 12 minus 3, 9. So how many students are there from foreign countries? 93 students are there from foreign countries. Okay, understand the question? So first we find out the number of boys, that girls, that is given in the question. After that we find out the total number of students by adding these two, number of boys and girls. Next, here it is given how many students are from Indian. 635 students are from Indians. So the number of students from foreign countries will be, from the total number of students we are subtracting subtracting that number of Indian students, that is 635. Okay, so we got the answer as 93. So next question. I am giving a simple question for you. We can do that question. In a cricket match, India has scored 150 runs. That question I give in the notebook. All of you look at today's note. Then you can see that question. In a cricket match, India has scored 150 runs. Okay. India needs to score 259 runs to win the match. Okay. How many more runs does India need to win? Okay. So that is the question. So it is given. All of you read the question again. In a cricket match, India has scored 150 runs. Now, India scored how many runs? 150 runs. Okay. Now, next is given. India needs to score 259 runs to win the match. Total runs that needs to win. For India, that is given 259 runs. Then, how many more runs now India needs to win? That is the question. So, how we can start? Here it will be addition or subtraction that you can think. So, total runs for winning, that is given 259 runs. But now India scored only how many runs? 150 runs. So, how many more runs India needs to win? That we will get by subtracting. Okay. So, what we can write the first step? Total run needs to win the match. Total run needs to win the match. Okay, that is given how many? That is given in the question 259. I write only some part that clearly I give in the notebook. So it is first step is total runs needs to win the match, that is given 259. Next we can write. Next is given India has scored 150 runs. So how we can write? Number of runs scored by India. Number of runs already scored. Okay, scored by India, that is given how many? 150. Okay, total runs need 259. Now India scored only 150 runs. Then the question is, how many more runs does India need to score? Okay, so how many more runs need? So that we will get by subtracting 259 minus 150. So the number of we can write how many more runs does India need to score. So we write, so the number of more runs required. The number of more runs required to win. Okay. More runs required to win equal 259 minus 150. Okay, do in the working column 259 minus 150. 9 minus 0, 9. 5 minus 5, 0. 2 minus 1, 1. So, how many more runs need? 109 runs need to win the match. Okay, that also you can write in the notebook. One more question. A shopkeeper has 428 chocolates in his shop. A shopkeeper has how many chocolates? 428 chocolates. He sold 315 chocolates in a day. Okay, in one day he sold how many chocolates? 315 chocolates. How many chocolates are left? How many chocolates are left? That is the question. So here what we want to do? Addition or subtraction? Yeah, subtraction. So first we can write total number of chocolates. Total number of chocolates. How many chocolates are there in that shop? 428 chocolates. He sold 315 chocolates in a day. So next we can write number of, how we can write, all of you? Try to say, next step, how we can write? Number of chocolates sold. Okay, number of chocolates sold. From the question itself we can make the steps. Okay, read the question. First statement read, then from that you will get first step to write. Then again read the next sentence, then you will get the next step from that. Number of chocolates sold. Okay, number of chocolates sold. How many chocolates sold? 315 chocolates. Okay, then how many chocolates are left? That is the question. So the number of chocolates left. So the number of chocolates left equal 428 minus 315. Okay, so we are subtracting 428, 315. 8 minus 5, ones place we are subtracting 3. 2 minus 1, 1. 4 minus 3, 1. So the answer is 113 chocolates. Okay, 113 chocolates. Okay, understand? So these are the word problems related with subtraction. So next day we can learn framing word problems. Okay, now today also I am giving one homework. All of you want to do with the needed step. Okay, thank you.